Kaya malakas ang loob ni coach kasi hindi siya kailangan umasa sa basketball to survive. Actually, that's my only goal. And I don't want to live na luxuriously or excessively. Just the basics. Simpleng buhay. Kasi doon ka sasaya sa simpleng buhay. Pati mga players ko, nire-remind ko yan, no, every time. No, na what you get paid for in basketball, for 90% of them, after they play basketball, they are no longer going to get the same salary. Pagkatapos mo mag-basketball, kung sumusweldo ka ng 200, 300, 400, pagkatapos mo mag-basketball, sino ang magbibigay sa'yo ng ganyang sweldo? Diba? Baka yung mga iba na mayaman ng magulang, or talagang may minana ka na malaking pera, o nakapag-asawa ka ng mayaman, pero iilan yun. Diba? Iilan yun. So you have to have another skill aside from basketball to help you survive. And the time to find that skill or develop that skill is now while you're playing. Hindi yung after na mo maglaro, tapos na yung sweldo mo, nag-retire ka na, tapos maghahanap ka kung anong gagawin mo. You're too late. You prepare yourself for your next career. Ngayon pa lang. That is what I tell our rookies as soon as they sign their first contract. Pag pirma nila ng first contract, oh, rookie, paghandaan mo na ang retirement mo. Sana makatagal ka ng 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, bihirang-bihira. 20 years, bihirang-bihira. Bihira yung mga Bo at mga Gabe, makamukhaan sa team namin, or yung mga Asi, no? Bihira yan. That's why 95% or 99% of basketball players after their careers will no longer make the same amount of money. Paghandaan mo yun. Yun ang dapat mong paghandaan. Anong skill ang gagamitin mo ron? Kasi ngayon, mayroon kang ginagamit na skill na sinusweldohan ka ng ganyan eh. Pero pag natapos mo na yan, hindi na ganyan kalakas ang katawan mo, ano pang skill ang pwedeng bayaran sa'yo? Marunong ka ba magnegosyo? Marunong ka ba mag-electrician? Marunong ka ba magtayo ng restaurant? Or may alam ka ba sa coaching? Di ba? May alam ka ba sa ganyan? So, kailangan paghandaan mo na yun.
What advice or business would you tell your players, coach, to invest in 2025?
Mahirap kasi players will usually have something that they
are passionate about,
they're interested about. Some players will continue their studies. No, sabi ko nga, there is nothing wrong with after basketball, you want to be a welder. There is nothing wrong with that. No. And while you're in basketball, what you should practice is living a simple lifestyle. Example lang, pag sumusweldo ka ng 100,000, ang lifestyle mo ay 120,000 a month. Pahirap ang buhay mo ng 20,000 a month eh. Diba? Paurong yung buhay mo. Parang you're poorer by 20,000 a month if the lifestyle you live is 20,000 in excess of what you make. But if I'm making 100,000 and my lifestyle is 50,000, I'm richer by 50,000 every month. So it's very important what lifestyle you live. Napaka-importante nun. Na don't buy a car which is only a status car. Just buy a car that will get you to practice and home. And you're comfortable. then save up the rest of the money. So, yun yung ina-advise ko. No? It's important that your family understands lifestyle. Pag ikaw gusto mo simple lifestyle, yung asawa mo ayaw ng simple lifestyle, you will have problems. Yung anak mo ayaw ng simple lifestyle, you will have problems. So, kailangan, pag dinicide mo na, oh, I'm making 100,000, this is our budget for the month, we will live this kind of lifestyle, and we will be happy with this kind of lifestyle. Kasi yung happiness, decision lang yan. Diba? Decision mo lang yan. Happy ako rito. Happiness is only management of your expectations. Pag ini-expect mo na mataas, tapos hindi mo nakuha yung mataas, depress ka. Pero pag ini-expect mo mababa lang, tapos nakakuha ka ng mas mataas doon sa mababa na yon, happy ka. So it's just a management of your expectations. So pagka nililigawan mo si Mrs., magiging Mrs. mo, sasabihin ko, huwag ka mag-expect ng ganito. Ito lang kaya ko ibigay sa'yo. Kaya kung gusto mong tayo, ito lang ang asahan mo sa akin. Pag binigyan mo siya ng sobra, ang saya niya, di ba? Eh, hindi niya alam, kaya mo yung sobra. Pero pag pinalaki mo yung expectation niya, tapos hindi mo na ibigay yon, eh, may problema kayo.